Hello friends, hope you have liked my videos. If you have liked all those videos, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can easily access to all my forthcoming videos. Friends, I have made this another video on the Hindi version. This is the English version, all for those viewers who are not accessed to the Hindi language. So this video is comfortable for all those viewers who are residing in the non-Hindi speaking areas. So kindly watch this video till end. You can be benefited by watching this video, and this video is for the all those viewers, those who are planning uh, to file a quashing petition in the High Court, and this judgment is going to be very much helpful. So this is the recent judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court of India. It's the case. Here is the case title, and this is the Criminal Appeal 1455 1456 of 2021. The date of judgment is 11th of December 2021. So many viewers have asked this question: is that we have been falsely implicated in the case, and we have the evidences with us, and can we so it's whether it's suggestible that we should approach to the High Court for the quashing of all the FIR as well as the charge sheet. And this judgment will going to help you. It will or will help you in resolving all those queries which people usually ask in the comment box. So this is a recent judgment. So what this judgment speaks, let's proceed with the contents and analyze these contents. The state of the High Court of the Odisha has filed an appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court of India by the way of the special league petition, which then converted into the criminal appeal, and this is the number. So they have challenged the order of the High Court of the Odisha passed on this date, this date, in which they have the Honorable High Court of the Odisha has allowed the application of Section 482 CRPC of the various petitioner. Here they are the respondents. So the content says that the FIR were lodged by the police under the various sections of the Indian Penal Code under as criminal conspiracy and by abusing of the official positions. It was alleged in the FIR. It was alleged in the FIR that respondent has committed the various offences, and it has caused a loss of tune of this amount of rupees, and they have committed offences under sections 120B Indian Penal Code, read with the section 13.2 and 13.1D of the Prevention of the Corruption Act. So the FIR was registered and was given the number. So after the FIR, after the registration of the FIR, the respondents filed an the quashing petition before this Honorable High Court, and praying for the quashing of the criminal proceedings against them under the exercise of the power under 482 CRPC. The High Court, after hearing the matter, allowed the application, and they quashed the criminal proceedings against some of the respondents, mainly on the ground that they have not dealt with the allotment file in any manner. So they could not influence any other officer of the authority or for getting the plots illegally in the favor of their family members. So and they quashed the proceedings. The Honorable High Court quashed the proceedings on this ground. After the charges get quashed, as per stated in their charge sheet, the state then filed an appeal, and before this Honorable Supreme Court of India, on their main contention was that the High Court has exceeded their jurisdiction under 482 CRPC, and because at the time of the quashing, the Honorable High Court has gone into the details of this case. So they ought not have to be ground into these cases, into the details of these cases, or because at the time of the questioning, the High Court ought not have to go into the minute details. This was their contention of the state of the Odisha. So The further contention was that they have made a thorough investigation, and after thorough investigation, they filed a charge sheet which was pending before the learned single judge of the Bhubaneswar vigilance judge, and the prima facie case was been made out, and after so charge sheet was filed as the prima facie case was made out. So Honorable High Court ought not have to be exercise the power under 42 Cr.P.C. So as they were conducting some kind of the mini trial, this was the contention raised by the state, as at the time of the questionment, after time of the questioning of the charges, they are conducting the mini trial. So which is impermissible as per the law laid down in the various of the catena of the decisions. This was their contention. So further contention was that only the prima facie case has to be considered. Suppose if the prima facie case has not been made out, then it's a good case for the question. If the prima facie case has been made out after the thorough investigation and the charge sheet was filed, so in that case, Honorable High Court has ought not have to quash those charges. So apart from this, they have made that serious allegations are there against the respondents. So it has caused a lot of it has caused a loss to the public exchequer also. This was the contention, and now the Honorable Supreme Court has considered after considering the contentions and gone into the records, they observed that the High Court in the exercise of power had quashed the criminal proceedings, and the Honorable Supreme Court has also observed that High Court has entered into the merits of these allegations and has conducted a mini trial, which is not permissible, which is impermissible as per the Honorable Supreme Court observations, and they then relied upon their previous judgments passed by the case title was the state of the Haryana versus the Bhajan Lal, and they reproduced that judgment. And what happens? Let's see. These are the contentions raised, and the further observation was that when after time of the questionment, after time of the questioning of the proceedings, the High Court normally it's said that normally the criminal proceedings should not be quashed. This is the observation: should not be quashed in the case of when the High Court has conducted an investigation. Sorry, when the police has conducted an investigation and charge sheet was thoroughly filed. So Section 482 powers given to the Honorable High Court is very wide, but it has to be spanningly used. It has to be, the Honorable Court has to be very much cautious while quashing the charges. So it's the diligent duty of the court. This was the observation given by this Honorable Supreme Court of India, and further it's said that accused in any way is abused process of the quashing of these criminal proceedings in any way is not it's written that it cannot be said. That's said, it cannot be said that criminal proceedings against the respondent is an abuse process of the law of the court. Normally the quashing is to be done when the Honorable Court finds that if proceedings to be initiated, then it will lead to the abuse process of the court. Here the Honorable Court said that if the criminal trial continues, it will not come covered under this that this is an abuse process of the court. So because there was allegations, serious allegations were there, because some kind of favoritism has been was made as per the F.I.R. or the content, the materials placed on records. So in that case, let's continue. Then finally they set aside the judgment of the Honorable High Court, because there were allegations were there and the High Court has conducted a mini trial. They have gone into the details of the allegation, they have gone into the merits of this allegation, which is not permissible at this stage. So all those viewers who have been facing some trial in some courts, if they are planning to planning for the quashing of the charges or quashing of the F.I.R. charges, if they are planning for, kindly read these contents of this judgment. This judgment is going to be very much helpful they can make their opinion, they can revise their opinion, as this judgment is clarified at each and every the portion the how and when the Honorable High Court under 482 CRPC quashes the FIR charges, charge sheet or charges. So this I hope this video has clarified much of the contents, much of the queries which the viewers usually post regularly in the comment box. If you have any query, you can post them in the any of the comment box of the any video. I am very much pleased to answer all those queries. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can easily access to all my forthcoming videos, and I can also provide you the further updates from time to time. And thank you for giving valuable time on this video.